Good day, everyone. Learn how to lock Facebook profile in Facebook. So I'll quickly open the Facebook in my laptop. And to lock the Facebook, we need to click on the top right corner. And then we need to go to this settings. And then again click on settings. Once you do that, you will see a window like this, settings and privacy. And here we will look for Facebook profile lock. So we will scroll down and here we have found profile locking for Facebook. We will click on that and it says lock your profile, make your photos and posts more private. So you are actually making your Facebook private. So I'll click on lock your profile and hooray, we have successfully locked our Facebook profile. And this is how you can do it. If you find this tutorial short and helpful, please don't forget to hit the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.